Hi, this is Matt with Inmate Search Info. Today we're going to be looking at how to find Missouri inmates. The Missouri Department of Corrections offers an inmate search based on either name or the Department of Corrections number from Missouri. So if you have that Department of Corrections ID number, you can enter that in and you'll be able to get the results of the person that you're looking for right away. Otherwise, you are able to search by name. And one thing to keep in mind is that the Department of Corrections does not have historical information for inmates. So you're not going to have someone that's been completely discharged, is no longer under any kind of supervision from the Department of Corrections. If they're completely finished with all of their sentence, they don't keep that historical information. So these are only people who are under either active supervision, as in under probation or parole, or those that are actually incarcerated. So if you're looking for historical information, Missouri is not going to be able to help you. One thing about the name search for Missouri is that it does include aliases. So if you happen to know someone by something other than their legal name, you will be able to find them, as we'll see when we do this search for Michael Smith. So the list of results you see there on the left, that includes the list of all of those whose name, their legal name, matches Michael Smith, as well as those who have used Michael Smith as an alias, as we see. So we have some folks that have completely different names, or similar but not exact names, like this fella who has gone by Michael Smith in the past. So that's helpful. Some states don't offer that, and it makes it difficult if you were introduced to someone or don't know them by their actual legal name. Inside the data file that they have here, you're able to see the most recent offender photo, but they do give you a photo list as well, which is not true of all of the states. So here you can kind of see a progression over time for this particular person. So again, if you have maybe not seen them in a while, or this person obviously has changed a lot over the last, I think this was 2005. So over the last 15 plus years, you'll be able to kind of see what they would have looked like before, which may help you with your identification. Let's go back to the profile. We are given a date of birth as well, which of course helps if you have that information on the offense and the sentence. And for this person who is under probation, you're able to see under whose jurisdiction they fall. They do give you the officer and a phone number for them. So if that's something you're looking for, you can find that here on this site. Let's see if we can find someone who is actually still in. Let's see. So this person is in a correction center. They give you the name and the address, and they do give you a phone number. They don't give you a link directly to a page. They don't tell you about their, visitation or things like that. That's information that you can get perhaps by contacting them or through some of the links that you can find on our site, Inmate Search Info for Missouri. So if you'd like to take a look at that information, as well as information on background checks, other types of searches you can do with Missouri, and also a link to this offender search, please visit our link below. Thanks very much for watching.